Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about interactive toggle switch UI kit, and in this UI kit having some of the variant of toggle is on off text on top disabled with constraint message. So let's see what all features are available or variants are available in this UI kit. So I am dragging and drop this component. So here I have options to show label, or I can off the label, and the same way for the icon also. So if we need an icon, we can show icon, or otherwise we can off this. And the second most important thing is here, while we are creating any of the workflow or a prototype, sometime while we are switching on and off the toggle, the label is also getting switch on and off. So for that scenario, we have the label here for off label and the on label. So we can have the two different label while we are switching on. So we have the on, and while we are switching off, so we will have the off. So same way like check, uncheck, complete, incomplete kind of text we can have here. If we don't want the different label, so we can have the same label, we can use the same label in both on and off. So next is, just I'm copying this, and so next variant is on top. So label on the top means here it will get the on or off values. So while I will switch on, it will say the on. Now moving to the next. So in this variant, while toggle is disabled, so suppose this level is entirely disabled, or here also we have the option for icon, so we can disable the icon, or we can hide the icon, we can hide the label also. So along with this we have the one pop-up message. Why this is disabled, for that constraint message we can add it. So how we can enter that constraint message, here we have the show pop-up. So here we can write that message. So you can write why this toggle button is disabled, and after editing this, so suppose if I'm writing here, or just I'm editing this, so after editing this I can hide it. So we'll select again this and hide pop-up. So let's preview this. So for this disabled also, here I have given this label, so we can write the like a label for the disabled state. So easily you can enter the label, and the disabled message also you can write here instead of seeing this pop-up. So here is the disabled state. Suppose if I write 1 2 3, suppose, so we'll see, so it is appearing here. So we can have this constant message while user is trying to click on this disabled state, so they will get to know, okay, this is a disabled state, so they can discard this. And this is for on and off, and this is for the level which is having like on and off level. And if you want the same level, so for that we can have this. Suppose I am writing here level 1 or some text, and the same text will say on this on stage also, if you want to keep it on, so you can have it as on. So this is level 1 on. In off also it is level 1 only, and this is the next while we are switching the level also, and this is text over the toggle. So here we can have this on and off, and this is the disable state where we can see this constraint message. So hope you like this video, and this component is available in Figma community, and I will add that link in a description. Please use it and give your comment how much it is helpful for you. Thank you very much.